Hello guys, welcome to another video of Adama Robotics. In this video, we're going to learn about deep learning. So, what is deep learning? Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning concerned with algorithms inspired by the structure and function of the brain called artificial neural networks. So basically, deep learning goes a bit more in depth, okay? Where machine learning algorithms are meant to find meaningful informations from the vast amount of data they get. The world is being filled with so much data every day. In YouTube, every day they get up to 4 billion uploads on their platform. So there are so many contents out there. So deep learning can be used to understand and retrieve meaningful data, meaningful information out of these vast amount of data out there. If you'd like to know more, you can subscribe to our channel, or you can take our course on our platforms on Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.